Hello guys, this is Katrina in Switzerland. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about my first job in Switzerland, how I found it and what it is about. And I will also take you for this nice walk in the forest. You're gonna see some river and some Swiss cows. So let's get started and talk about my first job in Switzerland. Let's go. Hello, Dookie. Dookie. This is my first job in Switzerland. Meet Dookie. So it's been a month. I'm currently in Switzerland and I have a lot of spare time, so I decided to do something in my free time, and here it is. So I basically made a post on one of the social media saying I just arrived to Switzerland and I have a lot of free time, so I would love to take care of your pets, take them for a walk, either cats or dogs. I love both of them. And I think 2 days later, a really nice woman who lives here wrote me saying that she doesn't have much time to walk her dog while she's at work, and here I am. And this is the average you get for an hour of pet sitting in Switzerland, which is 25 francs. And he's so sweet. Dookie. Dookie. He doesn't want to take a selfie with me. He's too hot, I think. It's like 35 degrees right now. So this is our third walkie with Duke. I think we became good friends already, and he recognizes me when I come. He talks to me. Well, I think he talks to me. He's just barking. So I'm pretty happy with it, and he's very intelligent and beautiful. Look at this chocolate Labrador. Duke, Duke, say hello. He's too busy. Searching for something. I've got his biscuits, and what is there? Bye, Dookie. Bye. Okay, now let's get back to where I was. This forest looks really nice and green and beautiful, but when I was coming here, I was listening to a crime podcast by Rotten Mango, and I was terrified by one of the episodes, so I'm just like here now in the forest, but still thinking about serial killers. Is this real? It looks like a torture machine. Jesus Christ, what is it? This river here is usually very clean, like crystal clean, and today is very dirty because there was a storm in the morning and heavy rain. And now we're back to the farm, to the Swiss farm. I just came out of this forest over here. It's not very big, it's like it took me probably 2 minutes to come up to the farm. So I just wanted to show you Swiss cows. They're really lovely. Maybe we're gonna see some cats, and also they tend to grow lots of flowers and fresh vegetables that you can buy. So let's see what they've got today. Here's the name of the farm and some prices. Let's have a look. So basically they range from 1 to 250 Swiss franc per flower. depending on which one you choose. This is probably my 50th time I come here. Switzerland in summer is just amazing. I like how everything is blossoming, and look at the sky. And look at this amount of flowers. They're so beautiful here. Look how peaceful it is. It's insane. It's funny how this field changes over the year. So in summer it was all green, the grass was so tall, and now it's just nothing. So dry. I guess they cut all the dry grass to store it for the winter for the cows. And here I've noticed some sunflowers. It's the season, and this morning when I was walking with the dog, I saw a huge field of sunflowers, so I want you to see it now. And yeah, we're at the farm. Okay, this is too bright. Yeah, now it's better. So now I can feel the smell of the farm, if you know what I mean. So the cows should be somewhere here. I wonder if this cat gonna want to talk to me. No? No, I guess not today. Hello. Let's see if there are little cows over here. Usually there's so many here, and now there is none. And neither here. But I can hear the bells. Ah, there are some cows over there. The smell is just amazing. Oh, I think I've spotted my favorite cat. She or he's very social. Oh no, I don't think it's that cat. He looks a little bit sick. Oh yes, it's actually that cat, but something happened to him. Well, I hope you get better soon, buddy. So this is a self-service shop, and let's see what they've got today. Oh, this looks amazing. It's a shame I don't have any coins. So basically, if you want something, you need to wait it here, put in your bag, and then leave the coins there, and that's it. Nobody's here to check how much money you put there. And then inside you also have some meat, and ice cream and eggs. And the way it works, you just put the number of the product you've chosen, and then you pay with your card or with Apple Pay. And this is where the cows eat. Here lives a bunny, but I don't see it right now. And this is the farm. The two buildings you see over here, it's a bed and breakfast, so in case you want to come and do some eco-tourism, do some farming, you can come and stay here. So this was a quick farm tour. And I'm thinking of doing this pet sitting thing this month of July and then August. And then in September, we're moving to our new apartment, finally. We found a really nice place, and I will talk about it more when we move in. And after we move in there, I need to go to Barcelona for a couple of weeks, where I will need to pack the rest of my things. And I will have some time to enjoy the sea and the beach and Spanish food and wine. And after that, I will come back to Switzerland to search for a job, or I'm gonna be a freelancer. I haven't decided yet. Well, I think if I don't find anything, I'm gonna be thinking of something else. I haven't decided yet. So I guess I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you next time in my next video. Bye.